Over 100 vendors claim to have a SIEM. Most can't deliver. Can your SIEM do this? Multi-layered risk scoring with new-scale analytics. Alert fatigue is overwhelming security teams. Analysts spend 75% of their shifts on alert triage, 10 minutes per incident, with half of that just piecing together context across tools. With Exabeam, that changes. Threat Center automatically builds dynamic threat timelines with AI and behavioral analytics. Detections are grouped, related entities are linked, and risk scores are calculated based on event rarity, user role, and asset criticality. This lets analysts prioritize what matters, reducing noise and false positives. Instead of chasing alerts, they focus on high-impact threats, faster and with more clarity. Real intelligence, real security, real fast.